A predator that neither speed nor camouflage can save you from. It doesn't just hunt, it calibrates nature. The Falcon is a feathered special forces unit that keeps the ecosystem running like clockwork. Today you will learn why nature needs it, how it changes the behavior of other animals, and why everything would collapse without it. 10 functions of the Falcon in nature. 1. Controlling rodent populations. The Falcon is the main fear of mice, voles, and rats. Without it, there would be outbreaks of reproduction and crops would be threatened. 2. Controlling the population of small birds. It hunts sparrows and starlings, thereby maintaining balance in forests and fields. 3. Evolutionary whip. Prey learn to survive, camouflage themselves, and change. Without predators, species would degenerate. 4th, disposal of the sick and weak. It does not chase the healthy, but selects the weak. It acts as an air sanitation service. 5. Influence on the behavior of other species. Animals change their routes, feeding times, and even their habitat. The Falcon shapes the rhythm of the ecosystem. 6. Spreading fear. Its mere presence changes the behavior of the entire fauna. The ecological predator effect. 7. Food for others. Young or dead individuals are food for foxes, wolves, and even insects. 8. Assistance in the dispersal of seeds and spores. Indirectly influences. Eats birds that have eaten fruit and spreads their contents with the remains of its prey. 9th indicator of ecosystem health. Falcons are the first to disappear when the environment is polluted, like a natural alarm system. 10th participant in the nutrient cycle. The remains of prey are food for soil organisms. This starts the recycling chain. 10 unusual facts about falcons. 1. The fastest creature on the planet. A peregrine falcon can reach speeds of up to 389 kilometers per hour. That's not speed, and that's ballistics. 2. A strike with its talons is like a hammer. When diving, its talons clench and pierce the prey's body through and through. 3. It sees 8 times clearer than humans. It can spot a mouse from a distance of 1.5 kilometers. A falcon's vision is not a metaphor, but a fact. 4. Instant braking in the air. It can hover and change direction in a fraction of a second, like a drone with AI. 5. A strike faster than a bullet. The force of the strike in a dive is comparable to a firearm. Sometimes the prey dies instantly from the impact, not from the talons. 6th attack. Along a calculated trajectory, falcons calculate the angle, wind, and speed of the target in real time. Pure ballistics. 7. Hunt silently. Unlike hawks, they do not cry out. They fly silently and suddenly. 8. Lone professionals. They hunt alone, and almost always on the first attempt. 9. Used in the army, falcons were used in the Middle Ages to deliver messages. Now, as a means of controlling birds at airports. 10th, immunity to most prey infections. They can feed on infected carrion without harming themselves. Conclusion. A falcon is not just a fast bird, it is a flying mechanism of balance. It regulates population numbers, drives evolution, preserves the health of the ecosystem. When you watch it dive, it's beautiful. But when you understand why it does it, it's majestic. If you want to understand how nature really works, subscribe. It will only get deeper and more powerful from here.